Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run we're finally coming back to finish off my look at this mini f9 camera. Now I did an unboxing quite a while back and it's taken me a little while to come back to look at this camera, and the quick answer about this camera is it's pretty average and I really couldn't recommend it. So basically in this video I'll give you a bit of a demonstration of the things that I don't like about the camera, probably starting off by showing you some of the vision that you get and also some stills. Now to operate the camera is pretty simple. You basically hold this button down like so until the lights come up on the front of it like that, and then it's ready to start taking stills or video depending on what setting you've got on the back. Now when you hit this button it'll start taking video, and then when you hit this button again it'll stop taking video and you can recompose for another shot, and then if you switch on the back you can change it to photo mode. So basically the operation of the camera is pretty simple, and of course if you hold this button down like so again it turns it off. But the thing that's really disappointing about this camera is basically the video and still quality are terrible. I mean, the build quality is awesome and the practicality use of this would be really great. It would be a good bike cam or a helmet cam. And it definitely would be quite handy to use, but the vision you get from it's terrible, so it's a big disappointment to me. Anyway, let's have a bit of a look at some of the vision I've taken with it so you can get a bit of an idea. Okay, so this is basically just a quick video and audio test doing a sort of blog style type thing where you might use to talk to the camera, and overall I don't think it's going to be particularly good. It's very difficult to tell if you're in shot and how much of it's in focus because you've got no real control over it, but it may be useful for some people, but myself I don't think it's going to be that great. Anyway, let's go back to the main video and wrap this up. Well, there you go, there's my quick look at the f9 mini camera, and overall it's not really a camera I can recommend. The build quality is great, but the image and video quality is terrible, and you're better off saving your money and looking for some other things. Now before I go, I will mention that I am going to be looking at this camera, which is the AEE-M1, and I will be doing an unboxing and also a review of this, so this might be what this camera could have been, so stay tuned for that video. But like all my videos, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.